Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford Explorer headlight bulb. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is off and cool. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 headlight bulb. Begin by opening your hood and locating the specific headlight assembly that requires service. Now, let's access the bulb. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the two retaining clips securing the headlight assembly. Once the clips are out, gently pull the entire headlight housing straight forward to release it from its mounts. Finally, disconnect the electrical harness by pressing the small tab and pulling it free.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? You can listen to your favorite tunes while working on your car. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With the housing free, you can now replace the bulb. Twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Take your new H11 bulb and carefully insert it, twisting clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Now let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical harness firmly to the new bulb until you hear a distinct click, ensuring a secure connection. Align the headlight housing carefully and push it straight back into its mounts until it sits flush. Finally, reinsert the two retaining clips firmly to secure the entire headlight assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.